Will robots replace us in 50 years? The future of technology is one of the most exciting and uncertain topics we can imagine. In the next 50 years, robots could change everything. But, will they replace humans? Let's dive into what the future might hold for us and robots. The rise of robots and AI technology is advancing at an incredible rate. Robots and AI are already being used in factories, hospitals, and even homes. These machines are getting smarter every day, and they can do many tasks faster and more accurately than humans. But will robots take over every job? Will they replace us completely? It's a question many people are asking as robots and AI become more powerful. What jobs could robots take? Some jobs are more at risk than others. Tasks that are repetitive and involve physical labor could easily be done by robots. For example, in factories, robots already assemble cars, pack products, and even deliver packages. Even in the office, AI can perform tasks like data entry, customer service, and scheduling. In fact, many companies are already using chatbots to answer customer questions. Could robots take over healthcare? Healthcare is another area where robots are becoming more useful. AI can help doctors with diagnosis, robots can assist in surgery, and automated systems can help with patient care. While robots can make healthcare more efficient, humans will always be needed for empathy and decision-making. Will robots replace creativity? One of the big questions is whether robots can replace creative jobs. Artists, writers, musicians, and designers use their unique human touch to create. While AI can assist in creative tasks, it still can't match the imagination, emotion, and originality of humans. The human touch, what robots can't do. Even as robots get smarter, there are still things only humans can do. Robots may not have emotions, intuition, or the ability to connect with others on a personal level. Jobs that require emotional intelligence, like counseling or teaching, will still need humans. Humans have the ability to make moral decisions and think critically about complex situations. Robots, no matter how advanced, cannot replicate this human judgment. Will robots work with us, not replace us? The most likely scenario is that robots will work alongside humans, not replace them entirely. As robots take over repetitive or dangerous tasks, humans can focus on more creative and high-level work. We can already see this in industries like healthcare, where robots assist surgeons, but doctors still make the important decisions. In factories, robots handle the heavy lifting, while humans supervise and manage the systems. How robots can improve our lives instead of replacing us. Robots could help us live better lives. With robots handling dangerous jobs, humans can be safer. Robots can also assist in space exploration, environmental conservation, and even disaster relief. The future might be one where robots are our helpers, not our replacements. The ethical dilemma: should we let robots do everything? As robots become more capable, we must think carefully about how we use them. Should robots take over certain jobs, or should we limit their abilities? There is a lot of debate about whether AI and robots should have control over things like driving, medical care, or even warfare. Humans will need to set boundaries to ensure that robots are used for good, not harm. The key will be to find a balance between innovation and responsibility. The future of work, collaboration, not competition. Instead of replacing people, robots may create new opportunities for jobs. As technology evolves, new industries will open up, and people will be needed to build, maintain, and improve the robots. Humans will still be needed to manage these systems and ensure they work safely and effectively. We might also see new kinds of jobs emerge that we can't even imagine today. The future of work could be one of collaboration, where humans and robots work together to achieve more than either could alone. Conclusion: will robots replace us? While robots will likely change many aspects of our lives, it's unlikely they will replace humans entirely. Instead, robots will help us by taking on tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or physically demanding. Humans will still be needed for creativity, empathy, and decision-making. The future will likely be one where robots and humans collaborate to create a better world for everyone. We don't need to fear robots, we should embrace the opportunities they bring and make sure we use them wisely. Thank you for watching. The future is full of exciting possibilities with robots, and it's up to us to shape it in the best way possible. Stay curious and stay excited about the future.